Looking to add in-wall or in-ceiling speakers into your home? Let's find out if Monitor Audio's Creator Series has the perfect solution for you. Hey guys, Elliot here from Smart Home Sounds, and today we're talking all things custom installation, and in particular, Monitor Audio's new Creator Series, a range of in-ceiling and in-wall solutions and their fourth generation of speakers designed to simplify the buying process and offer a complete range of products to suit your needs and budget. Now, when it comes to the world of custom installation, there's no denying it can be hard to know where to start. There are so many options to choose from, often with overcomplicated names, and it can be really hard to work out what you get if you pay a bit more and what you sacrifice when you drop down in budget. A lot of models also haven't changed internally in 10 or even 15 years, and while they are still solid performers, they have dropped behind the likes of bookshelf and wireless speakers when it comes to design and innovation. So Monitor Audio have decided to rework their lineup from the ground up to bring us a brand new range which sets out to achieve 5 key things. 1. Simplifying the whole buying process, from product selection to understanding different model names. 2. Upgraded performance with the latest technical advancements. 3. Easier installation with new design features. 4. A more powerful performance without requiring a larger cutout size. And 5. An innovative and aesthetic design. Now, if you are interested in the Creator Series or want help with your project and you're based in the UK, then head over to smarthomesounds.co.uk. We offer a free speaker design service and our team can work with you from concept to install, offering support and advice along the way. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to find out more, and I'll also link the Creator Series 2 if you want to take a closer look at all of these models. Now, it's really nice and simple to get your head around the Creator Series. We have 3 tiers which go up in a good, better and best setup. Each tier offers different sizes of speaker, so small, medium and large, and there are a few additional models with extra features, but I'll explain what they are in a little bit. But firstly, let's take a look at an example here to break things down and cover the naming system, which for once is actually nice and simple. So if we take this one for example, C2N. The C stands for in ceiling, W would be the in-wall version. The 2 then tells you which tier the speaker is in, so 1 is good, 2 is better, and 3 is best. So this is from the mid-range tier. The M then tells you the cutout size of the speaker, so small, medium, or large, and that's it. It really is that simple. Now, there are a few key things to point out that apply to the whole range. Firstly, the different size options available. The small speakers in the range offer a 5-inch driver in a 171mm cutout. And these speakers are definitely just for those looking for background audio or to fill a smaller space. The medium models offer a 7-inch driver in a 212mm cutout. Previously, we would have been looking at a 6.5-inch driver from that size cutout, so Monitor Audio are pushing to give the most performance possible while retaining the same form factor, which I really like. Finally, the large speakers have a 248mm cutout dimension, and where previously we would have had an 8-inch driver, they've pushed that with these models to 9 inches. The majority of these speakers are now 8 ohm, and almost all tier 1 and 2 models only have a 99mm mounting depth, which would be considered slim by many standards, so lots of flexibility when considering installation and amplification. All the new models also feature Monitor Audio's new design features, including a few great new upgrades to make their installation even easier. Firstly, we have this new quick link terminal here, which, as you can see, has been designed to help your installer get everything wired up with the least amount of hassle possible. It's a clever bit of design with a magnetic lockable connection, which basically means you can make your cable connections before you install and then just snap them back into place when you're ready to fit the speakers. As you can see, once this is in place, it's not going anywhere and it's really secure. But for if any reason you needed to make any changes, you can literally just unlock it and go from there. Now, anyone familiar with Monitor Audio ceiling speakers will recognize this dogleg design, which helps secure your speaker into place, but this has also had a clever little upgrade too. This new Tri-Grip 2 offers a strong and secure fixture, and there's also a new dogleg mechanism here, which is stronger and even more reliable. You can see here, you simply just screw it into place, and then if you need to undo it, literally screw it back the other way, and it will tuck right in down at the bottom. All small changes, but ones your installers will love you for, no doubt. Okay, back to the different models then, and first thing you need to work out is which tier you need to be looking at, and there are some clear differences to help you decide. Kicking off with Tier 1 then. This is essentially the entry range in the Creator Series and delivers a solid, reliable performance at an affordable price point. Tier 1 offers small, medium and large options ranging in price from £250 to £350, and as with the whole Creator Series range, these are sold as single speakers. With this tier, the speakers offer a two-way arrangement and feature a C-Cam mid-bass driver and a 1-inch C-Cam tweeter with uniform dispersion waveguide 1. The C-Cam cones are strong, lightweight and extremely rigid to give a cleaner and clearer sound performance, and these will be a big upgrade on what Monitor Audio have created previously. All Creator Series in-ceiling tweeters use a uniform dispersion waveguide, though it does step up in performance as you go up through the range. This waveguide helps reduce distortion so the speakers can go louder and overall be more comfortable to listen to. It also eliminates the need for a pivotable tweeter, offering far greater sound dispersion. If you step up to Tier 2 and into the mid-level range in the Creator Series, we see a significant step up in performance. And Tier 2 is what we would say is the sweet spot in the Creator Series lineup. We still have a two-way arrangement, but we step up to an RST2 mid-bass driver, which is based on those found in the award-winning Silver 7G range. This technology significantly improves cone rigidity to reduce distortion and means a thinner, lighter and more responsive C-Cam cone can be used, which will deliver greater speed and accuracy. We keep the same C-Cam tweeter but step up to uniform dispersion waveguide 2, which increases the tweeter's sensitivity, helping to flatten the frequency response. Waveguide 2 also reduces distortion for a more comfortable listening experience, which can also go louder too. Tier 2 speakers also offer additional features, including boundary correction, handy if your speaker is closer to a wall, and high frequency cut or boost, which you can use to optimize performance for your space. Again, we have small, medium and large options in this tier, which range in price from £350 to £500. However, there are two additional feature models available. Firstly, we have two CP or controlled performance models, the C2M CP and the C2L CP. These speakers have a fully sealed back box which provides the ideal air load for the drivers, which helps optimize mid-range and bass performance and will also offer better sound isolation for habitable rooms above. The second special feature models are the T2X models, the C2M T2X, which I have here, and the C2L T2X, being the large version of this model. These speakers have a wide usage and can be used to solve various different issues you might have with placement or use cases. They can be used as a single stereo speaker for music or as dipole or bipole surround sound speakers for movies, as well as a wide dispersion mode perfect for height channels and Dolby Atmos setups. Finally then, Tier 3, and this is Monitor Audio's premium range in the Creator Series, which offers top-of-the-range performance and has been designed to create an exceptionally large soundstage. Available only in medium and large sizes, these do come with a higher price tag, ranging from £650 all the way to £950. Tier 3 speakers have a three-way arrangement and also step up to RDT3 bass drivers, based on these found in the new Monitor Audio Platinum Series 3G. The RDT3 technology means the cones are very light and strong and can respond with great speed without bending. A new inverted dual concentric 2 or IDC2 coaxial mid-range driver has had a ground-up redesign and now features a larger voice coil to ensure the uniform dispersion waveguide 2 can be used to control the high-frequency directivity. Effectively, this acts as a point source to create an exceptionally large soundstage in your listening environment. You've got a few additional features for optimizing playback for your space, including boundary correction, a corner switch, high frequency switch, and a mid-frequency switch too. There are also two additional feature models in the Tier 3 range. The first is the CP or controlled performance model, available in both medium and large sizes. The same as the Tier 2 models, these speakers have a fully sealed back box to optimize performance and improve sound isolation. The second model is actually a very solid option for home cinema installations. The C3LA model is essentially an angled speaker where there is a fixed angle IDC2 to give almost a spotlight effect, focusing the mid-range and high-frequency sounds into the listening area. It's set at 25 degrees and would be perfect for using as LCR speakers, giving great depth, clarity, and detail directed to your listening area. If you combine those with a number of the C2M T2X or C2L T2X, then that would be a pretty killer home cinema setup for sure. And that brings us nicely onto the in-wall options in the Creator series, as these are also very solid options for any home cinema installation. Again, it's nice and simple with 3 tiers going up in performance from good, better to best, with each tier building on the previous one, adding new features and technologies alongside upgraded audio performance. All the in-wall options have a depth of 85mm with the exception of the control performance models, and we only have one size option in each tier. Medium, which has a cutout of 201mm by 530mm and offers 5-inch drivers and a 1-inch tweeter. The in-wall models also boast the new Tri-Grip 2 legs for quick, easy installation, and each tier in the in-wall models feature similar step-ups in technology to the in-ceiling tiers. So I'm not going to go too in-depth on these and instead focus on the real need-to-knows. So in tier 1 we've got 2 models, and these are best suited to more entry-level installations where you're looking for a simple and solid performance. Having both within a single design means you're going to be getting better clarity, wider dispersion, and a more lifelike sound performance. The 2 options in this tier are the W1ME and the W1M. The W1ME model features a single 5-inch mid-bass driver, and this is really an entry-level option at a more affordable price point. The W1M boasts 2 5-inch drivers for a more powerful performance with deeper bass and is a step up from the W1ME. Tier 2 offers 2 models again, but steps up in acoustic performance as well as additional features. These speakers have a 3-way arrangement, which means we're going to be getting an even better dispersion and high fidelity clear sound. The step up to dual bass drivers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 models will give a much larger and cleaner sound and help deliver greater bass performance. Meanwhile, the 3-inch mid-bass driver also helps to produce an upgraded performance and integration with the tweeter or transducer to overall deliver a more detailed sound into the listening area. Both the Tier 2 and Tier 3 models also feature a rotatable high-frequency, mid-pod array, which allows you to position your speakers both vertically or horizontally, which is ideal for those LCR use cases. We have the standard W2M in this range, as well as the W2M CP option for those looking for an upgraded performance with a fully sealed back box to optimize mid-range and bass performance. It will also help to reduce the sound from the back of the cabinet by around 30 decibels, so great for isolating sound from other habitable rooms. Finally, Tier 3 is just one model, and this is really for your high performance installs, looking for top of the range audio performance. This speaker will give you rich mid-range and powerful yet controlled bass, as well as delivering impressive width and height to fill your listening environment. Of course, you can mix and match, so for example a 5.1 setup within walls at the front and in ceilings at the back. Right then guys, while we haven't done a full in-depth listening session of every model within the full Creator Series range yet, what we have heard we've been really impressed by. These are absolutely a step up from previous generations from monitor audio, albeit with a higher price tag. All in all, we're pleased that brands are finally simplifying the buying process and helping customers find the right products for them, as well as delivering improved performance and making the installation process quicker than ever. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the new series though, and if you do need help with an upcoming installation and you're based in the UK, then get in touch and we'd be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching though, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.